How engineers do it.
Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll see how we can quickly join a point with the midpoint of a line. So let me first create 3 lines. We'll randomly create 3 lines. Now the first thing that I would do is I'll just make them vertical and horizontal, which was explained in my previous video. I've just made them vertical and horizontal. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just double click on this constraint tool. I'll just click on this. So before I show that, let me show you the normal way how we do it. We'll select this point here and we'll select this line here, control select, go for this, go for midpoint. This is a normal way of doing it. So the faster way of doing for multiple lines is double click on the constraint tool, go for this point, go for this, and go for click once more, go for right click and go for midpoint. I'll repeat the step. Click once, left click once on the point, left click once on the line, so we will have a dimension being created. Right click and go for midpoint. Now we have these 2 midpoints connected to these 2 lines. So this is a faster way of doing it. I thought that it'll be useful for the beginners who must have been using the other way to join the midpoints. Hope you enjoy. Thank you and stay tuned.